How many of you, before starting any work, do think on the paper? Do write the steps on the paper? Do mind mapping on the paper? How many of you analyze the things before starting it? The most successful people have analysis on their paper first. All great business ideas start from a paper, maybe a napkin. If you are the person who start the task directly without analyzing the things and without practicing on the paper, then you might be doing the wrong steps. Actually, when you start writing on a paper, there's a combination, there's a coordination between the hand and mind. It's a marvelous combination. There's a lots of things going on when you write your goals or your task with your hand on the paper. You think, you analyze, you see, and then you write the things. You plan the things on the paper first. This method actually told by one of my previous bosses. He always said, Vinod, don't jump into the task directly. Start from the paperwork. Do the analysis how this problem can be solved on the paper first. And then see the things what is the best approach or the best solution you can go with. What people does is they start directly into the task and in the between they found that they are in the wrong direction and then again they start from the beginning. With this speed you will not be able to complete all your targets on time. You simply have to put in time to analyze the thing on the paper first. See what you want to do in your life or what are the goal or the task you want to do. Make a diagram, some type of list on the paper. Do paperwork. Think on paper first. What are you starting with and what you will end with? And see what are the steps you can draw in between paper. And when you see that these are the steps and then you can analyze the things and then you can start to work on the things. And in this way your mind will be doing a great job. It will let you do the many best things. People fail because they do not do the analyzing part of it. They do not practice on the paper first. They do not have mind mapping on the paper. They just jump in the task and start doing that. So my friends, from today onwards, before starting any type of task, simply first go to the paper, have some analyzation and then start working on it. You will see a lot of difference in that. If you like this video, please share with your friends and do subscribe.